The judge says the defense's medical expert couldn't testify, all because I jumped up and I said, "Objection, Judge!" You want to know why? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and I wanted to share this great information with you. So this is a medical malpractice trial. We have finished putting on all of our witnesses, all of our testimony, and all of our evidence. And now we rest. It is now the defense's turn to put on their evidence, their testimony, their witnesses. And the moment the defense attorney announces who their medical expert is, I jump up out of my seat, I yell out, "Objection, Judge!" I move to preclude, to prevent this witness from testifying. And now the judge wants to know why. What's the problem? What's the issue? He says, "What's the problem, Mr. Oginski?" I said, "Your Honor, the defense has failed to notify us, according to the court rules, in a timely fashion about the fact that they were bringing in this medical expert to testify about this issue." Now he turns to the defense lawyer. "Explain yourself, counselor." And now the defense attorney is trying to explain why he only notified us a day and a half before this witness came in to testify. So now the judge has a number of options available to him. He can allow the witness to testify, but penalize the defense attorney financially in the thousands and thousands of dollars for not following the court rules. A more extreme measure is to say, "No, I'm preventing this expert from testifying." Legally, that's known as precluding this witness from testifying. And now, call your next witness. Now, in all likelihood, if the judge prevents this medical expert from testifying, the defense likely won't have another expert lined up as a backup. Most people don't do that. So what happens then? Now he's got a big gaping hole in his defense. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these medical malpractice cases here in New York. You know, I understand and I recognize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.